In this video, I'm going to show you how to fit an image to a PowerPoint slide the right way. Let's open a PowerPoint presentation. Suppose you need to fit this image to the slide. Normally, what we do is select the image and drag the sides to adjust it in the slide. But as you can see, if we do it like this, the picture becomes completely distorted, and it looks so unprofessional. But there is a trick to do it without distorting the image. Copy the image and paste it. Place the pasted image right on top of the first image. In the title bar, click on Picture Format. In the menu bar, click on Crop. Now crop the image just after the main subject. Now stretch the cropped part. Copy and place the image just like before. Go to Crop and this time crop and stretch the other side of the image. Select the other parts while pressing Shift on your keyboard. Now copy all of them by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Let's take a new slide. In the menu bar, click on the down arrow below the Paste button. From here, click on Paste as Picture. Here you can see that we have connected the parts to a real picture. We have successfully fitted the image to the slide without distorting it.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.